Fear and anxiety causes a lot of people to do a lot of crazy stuff, like moving everything to cash when the market's already down. It's like overcorrecting on an icy road. It is a mistake that you will have to live with for a long time if you make moves right now. Fear and anxiety leads to a scarcity mentality, causes us to do crazy stuff, like buy the last roll of toilet paper, this little 4-pack that we would never have normally bought. No name brand, but it was the last one on the shelf. We had to get it, right? In all seriousness, fear and anxiety, it leads to opportunities for people to make dumb choices and also for people to take advantage of others. I've already seen emails going around that are from people supposedly representing the IRS, because the IRS is asking for your banking information so that they can send you this free check because of the CARES Act. The IRS is not going to email you asking for your banking information. Please be careful. The only thing crazier right now than pandemics and a wildly fluctuating stock market is the fear and anxiety gripping our planet. This is no time to lose your mind, people. Please don't freak out. Investors who are calm and confident make wise money choices, but investors who are freaking out are going to make poor choices that exacerbate an already difficult situation. Jumping off of a moving roller coaster while it's still in motion is a pretty bad idea. It's a certain way to ensure your self-destruction. Don't self-destruct. Don't implode. Don't lose your head. And please don't freak out. A crazy day, a crazy week, even a crazy month or a crazy quarter in the market is unlikely to affect you 10 or 20 or 30 years from now. You've got to keep a long-term perspective. Economist Ilarian said this morning on CNBC that the time to sell everything, that moment has passed. Those who try to time the market, which we always say, huge mistake, don't do that. But those who do try to time the market, that train has left. It is time now to just hang on. I mean, the time to move was in mid-February. This, by the way, is the chief economist for Allianz, the former CEO and bond king from PIMCO, one of the smartest guys out there in understanding kind of what's going on with this market. And he says there's really smart money to be made in this market. He believes that smart businesses and smart investors won't just survive, but will thrive, emerging even stronger after this pandemic. Last week, by the way, not widely reported, was the best week in the Dow since 1938. Okay, many companies that are trading on the exchange are very, very healthy. They have rock solid balance sheets. They're heavy in cash. That's why people keep saying healthy companies, healthy economy, healthy market. We just hit a major speed bump with this fear and anxiety around COVID-19, but this too shall pass. In related economic good news, Ford and GM, they've repurposed their assembly lines to build ventilators. Abbott Labs has ramped up their production of COVID-19 tests, and Johnson & Johnson is developing a vaccine for COVID-19. So America will emerge better and stronger on the other side of this. Hopefully America will also emerge smarter. But smart means we don't try to get off a moving roller coaster. Smart means we don't move to cash when the market's already down. Smart means we don't let our emotions get the best of us. Smart means we don't freak out. Smart means we live on purpose and invest on purpose. We stick to a plan, especially when the road gets a little bit bumpy. We're purpose-driven with our money, and we're purposeful with our money decisions, and we aim for repurposement rather than retirement. Keep your heads, people. And if this could be of any help to you, below here is a link to a discount on the book Repurposement. Hope you're doing well.